Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 3 boys and a military spouse, and I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I do a lot of like productive, get it all done, stay in lives, mom content. So if you like that type of channel, you will love my channel, and I hope you stick around. Today we are rushing to go get Grayson because story of my life, I'm always running behind. But we are rushing to go get Grayson from school. I did a Amazon haul on Instagram, got my day started a little bit later than I wanted to, but we're gonna go get him now. We're gonna go get him now, and then we're gonna go to Target because I have to get Grayson a red shirt for school for tomorrow for field day. Definitely dropped the ball on that one, but mom life, it happens. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do now. Go get him before we're the last person in the carpool line. I'm infamous for that. So let's go get Grayson. All right, we're back from Target now. I only picked up a few odds and ends. One of the things was the red shirt. We found a plain red shirt for field day tomorrow, so that worked out perfectly. It was only like $4. Yeah, $4. So that worked out perfectly. Got some lady stuff, got some like these sour gummy worms things that the kids like. Yeah, you like those? And now I am going to open up an energy drink because I'm like, I'm done and I still have a lot to get done today, so I need to get some energy. So I'm gonna open up an energy drink, relax with Chris for a minute, and then I'm gonna start cooking dinner because I'm also really hungry. So yeah, that's what is on the agenda right now. Okay, this is what we're doing for dinner tonight. We have some of these chicken plus things. It says 1/4 cup veggies. This is the first time we're trying these. Hopefully they're a huge hit because that would be fantastic. And then we're doing these crispy carrots. This isn't obviously like the perfect meal or most healthiest, but it's a healthier option of the bad. And I'm tired, so I want a quick and easy and uncomplicated meal. So tonight we're keeping it simple and doing this and hoping that the kids love these. And this is hopefully a new favorite in the house. So, and we're gonna cook it in our little handy dandy air fryer. So let's make that now. All right, we're all done eating now. I'm gonna get Tristan in the bath. I haven't cleaned up downstairs yet. I'll do it in a little bit, but I'm gonna get Tristan in the bath, get bedtime routine started and going so we're not rushing tonight, and probably go downstairs and pick up by myself once everybody's in bed. Sometimes it's nice to do that instead of doing it in the midst of the chaos. So now we are going to do bath time since everybody's done eating and all that. I'm gonna go see what's going on in there right now too before I start that bath. Kids are in bed and asleep. The downstairs is a mess. It's not too bad tonight since I did really simple for dinner, but it still needs to be cleaned up. So we are going to clean up the downstairs, get it organized so that when I come down in the morning, it's nice and clean, starting off on a fresh slate. Although I'm not gonna lie to you, I literally have zero desire right now to do anything other than take a shower and pass out. I'm so tired and I feel like I didn't even do that much today to be that tired, but yet I'm here and I'm exhausted. So maybe it's just the heat. It's starting to get real hot. It was like 99 degrees today. So it's starting to get really hot. So that's really gonna make my energy level like kind of dip down a little bit. But speaking of which, I should probably drink some water too. Okay, let's start cleaning up. finally done cleaning up everything. Feels really good now that it's done, although I really did not want to do it. I had absolutely no desire to do it, but I know that I feel better about it now. I'll feel better about it in the morning. So always worth getting done, huh? Huh, Lola? Always worth getting done. Lay down, lay with me. Come on, lay down. She's always got to be right in my face. No personal space. Between her and the kids, there's no such thing as personal space, huh? No personal space, huh? But, so I wanted to tell you, give you guys an update on the whole water tank situation with my coffee machine. I figured out what it was. Are y'all ready for this? So what was in my water tank was algae. And I figured out what was triggering it. The under cabinet lights. So this whole time, I thought that maybe I had hard water, or, I mean, I'm pretty sure we still have hard water, but I thought that like that was the contributing factor. Like I've never had this issue before, so I really wasn't sure. I've also never had under cabinet lights before. So I would turn those lights on every night because it was a great way to like leave the kitchen dimly lit. So if, you know, Colby came down, Chris gets up early in the morning, whatever, the kitchen was well lit, but not like overly, you know? So I would leave those on at night. For months now, I've left them on at night instead of leaving, because I used to leave the light over the sink on, but that one is still kind of bright. So I was like, oh, these ones are a little bit dimmer. I'll do those ones. That's what it was. It was algae growing from the light. I only figured this out because when I was like trying to find solutions, whenever I tried that tablet, the tablet didn't work. And I was like, man, what is going on? So I started like Googling again, and that's when I was like figuring out that what it was. And then after I vlogged that day, I put the tank in the dishwasher and I ran it on hot water. I also ran it with, because our dishwasher has like bottled jets on the top rack that, like, you know, so if you have like baby bottles in there, it'll squirt water in it or whatever, to kind of give it a better clean, right? So I was like, I'll put it on top of those and turn on the bottle jets and, you know, have that just like really hose it down. I did that twice with a high sanitization, like wash and hot water and everything like that, and came completely spotless, completely clean. So good to know that that is like really strong and powerful, and that works to clean that thing really, really good. But also I diagnosed what the problem was. So no more using the under cabinet lights except for a very short amount of time. No more leaving them on every night. And who knew? Who knew? I had no idea. Did you know? If you or somebody who's had that issue and didn't know what was going on, now you know. Like, I cannot believe that. I literally had no idea. I mean, this is the first time I've ever had under cabinet lights, and I never knew that before, but you learn something new every day, I guess. But yeah, I figured I would share that with you because I know some of you had asked if I figured out like what it was or how to take care of it or whatever. And for those of you who gave me like tips and tricks, thank you so much. It is so greatly appreciated. I love being able to just come on here and be like, this is what I have going on. Have you been through it? What do I do? How do I handle it? It's such a great tool to be able to reach out to friends on here who have maybe experienced something I haven't, and to give me advice on how to handle it. I appreciate it so much. Thank you all so much for your feedback and for your tips and all of it. Anytime that I've ever needed to know something and you have commented and tried to like help me, I greatly appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. So yeah, there was something else that I wanted to, I finally finished the coffee table. I don't know why it took me like so long to get the poly on it, but for some reason, like, I just didn't have the time to do it. Things have been so crazy and so busy lately that I just really have not had the time to. I have had like little bits of time to do it, but not like a whole day to do it. And I'm a very like, if I'm gonna start it, I wanna finish it type of person. Otherwise I don't start it. So I was able to finish it the other day. I love how it turned out. Chris loves how it turned out too. He doesn't like the light wood, so this is more his style. And yeah, I love how it turned out, and it's not like so rough feeling anymore. I can wipe it off easier and whatnot. So yeah, always helps to put some poly on it and really give it that protectant cover to be able to like wipe it clean easily and everything. So I swear there was something else that I was gonna say, and now I just can't remember. Story of my life. But with that being said, oh, I did share on Instagram today. I shared if you missed it, if you're not on there, I shared a really big Amazon like clothing haul. There's like a few bathing suits, cover-ups, shorts, all kinds of stuff. I shared a lot of stuff on there. I always save that stuff. There's like a highlights on my page and it says links, and I always save it there. So if you are new over there, or if you're just coming over there and you want to see, that's where it will be. I found some really cute and amazing things. I really wanted to actually share it in this vlog too, but I felt like for those of you who are on both, that would be super repetitive. So I didn't, but I found such great stuff. Such great stuff. And I think I've mentioned it, but I have a girls trip coming up. So I'm really excited to be like finding cute clothes and going out to do stuff and, you know, all of that. It's really nice to get away sometimes. So I've been trying to pick up a few things here and there and really just get ready. And don't worry, I will be vlogging the girls trip. For those of you who are interested, I know some of you don't love travel vlogs and some of you do. So for those who are interested, it's gonna be a fun time and I'm excited to bring you along for the ride. It'll be much different than what you're used to because it's gonna be just me and, you know, mama's break. So, but it'll be fun. It'll be fun for sure. So thank you guys so much for choosing to click on this video. Thank you so much for watching. I need to get my butt to bed because I'm exhausted and I don't even know what I'm rambling about anymore. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.